Here's how to write the letter I. Starting with the capital, we're going to start down at the very bottom, doing a large loop. Once we get down to the bottom, we'll do a little hook and over. So starting here, going up and looping around, then up and over. Loop, up and over. Looping up, down, up, and over. So this part's about halfway through the dotted line in the bottom. Loop up, down, up, and over. Up, down, up, and over. When I do a lowercase I, you'll start down at the bottom or wherever you connect to your last letter. You're going to go up to the dotted line, down, and up. Then you do your dot. Up, down, up, and dot. Up, down, up, and dot. So it looks like this. Now if you're doing a word, you wouldn't dot your I until you're done with the whole word because we don't want to pick up our pen. So if I go up, down, then I keep going into the next letters until I'm done writing the letter and the whole word. Then it would come back to dot my I. So looking like this. Up, down, continuing to my N and my K, and then dotting it.